Hey guys, Gaston back in the Rough Country Installation Facilities. Today we've got the under-seat storage compartment for the GMC and Chevrolet 1500 years 2019 to 2021. So no matter how meticulous you are with your truck, if you daily drive it, inevitably it's going to end up looking like this. So what's the solution for that? We've got it right here with the Rough Country under-seat storage compartment. This is vacuum formed out of a heavy-duty thermoplastic, and it has a place for everything, so you can put everything in its place. All right, let me get this cleaned out and I'll show you just how easy it is to install the under-seat storage compartment. With all that out of the way, all we need to do now is unbolt the factory bottle jack bracket. Somebody's already taken the liberty of removing the factory lug wrench for us. Those are the mounting points for the under-seat cargo storage. We're going to get those out of the way, drop that in, and replace those, and with those back in place, it will be securely mounted to the floor. You can see what I mean by contoured and complementing the interior. This isn't a milk crate thrown in the back to hold tools. This isn't a duffel bag. This looks like a factory part, and it's gonna take care of exactly what we need it to do. So if you're tired of having your stuff strewn all over the floor of the rear of your cab, get the Rough Country under-seat storage and get your stuff together.